Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Victor, aka Gravix, and it's been 2 months now. I'm sorry for the long absence. I would say I was on vacation or I was chilling, or actually I was, taking a little break to just plan my next video, which is this. Because I noticed the last series I started, wasn't really engaging. My subscribers weren't, following. And that's not the goal of me making tutorials on this channel. The goal is to make sure I carry everybody along and, everybody is part of this whole team. So I decided that now I have to step up the game and we are here now. So guys, today I'm introducing a new impactful and educative project I've been working on for some days now. And I actually got the idea from my boss, Mr. Benedict Fine, one of the baddest coders I've ever encountered in my life, and I'm grateful to him. A big shout out to him, because if not for him I wouldn't have been at this stage of development. So shout out to him. You can check him up on LinkedIn. He's a very badass developer. You can take that from me. So he actually gave me this idea and I was like, wow, let me share this to my YouTube community and let me share this to my amazing subscribers. So I decided that okay, I was going to make a tutorial based on the idea he gave to me, and this whole project is all about a dictionary website. So we're going to be creating a very simple dictionary website that gives meaning to whatever word we input. Whatever word we input, it's going to generate the meaning for us, and it's going to fetch the meaning from an API. I'm going to be using Rapid API for that. So don't worry guys, it's going to be educative, whether you're a beginner, whether you're an intermediate, or whether you're a professional, advanced, whatever phase you are, don't worry about that, because this video got you covered. So guys, I'm just going to run through the whole website for you so you can see. So I'm just going to type in the URL localhost/dictionary. Don't mind me. At the time of creating this, I couldn't come up with a better name, so I just saved the name of the project as dictionary. So you can see it's a very simple project called Word Search. Ask me anything. I'm even yet to name it, like I said. So the latest revolution of word search, better meaning, less ambiguity. So this is just the design. You can see the ultimate word search, just some UI to just get you guys busy with. And we have a make a search. When you click on make a search, if you don't input a word, it's going to throw this red border around the inputs, meaning that okay, you have to actually enter a word. All right, so now we have just a little test. Since this whole project is actually revolving around the development aspect, I won't be teaching the UI part, that's the front end part. This is actually built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So guys, we won't be covering the front end aspect, that's the web design aspect. We'll be going straight into the web development aspect, where we'll be using PHP as our back end, and we'll also be playing with a lot of JavaScript too, because of the requests we're going to be handling, and because of also some interactive features we needed on this website. So guys, trust me, it's going to be fun. And do let me know if you want me to create a separate video tutorial covering the front end aspect. If you want that, just let me know. I can make just probably a 30 minutes or 40 minutes or 1 hour tutorial covering this whole design and how you can actually build that yourself. Alright guys, so this is just, this is me, my humble self, and some random guys, and nothing really special, but this is the fun part of it. So now when I input a word, let's say, okay, let's search majesty. So I'm just going to type in majesty inside this, majesty or something. So now when I click on make a search, first of all I have to connect to the internet to use this API, because now I'm sending this request through PHP to the API. Now it's going to display whatever comes out from the API into my modal. Now you're going to see that right away. So guys, first of all, you need an internet connection for this. Probably in the future we'll make the offline one, but for now we need an internet connection. And now when I click on make a search, let's see what's going to happen. You can see this spinner or this loader. I can see it clicking. So now maybe because my internet connection is actually very slow, that's why it's taking that long. But you can see now this modal pops out, or this modal pops up. Now you can see it shows the word here, which is what we typed in majesty. It shows the phonetic inscriptions and gives the part of speech too, and it gives a definition. Now let's close this. Now let's type in another word. Let's say joy, and let's see what's going to happen. Then I click on make a search. You can see it's loading. So it depends on how fast your internet connection is. If it's that fast, the result comes very fast. So this now you can see I'm having a very slower internet connection. So let's see. Yeah, so guys, so you can see the word imputed, which was joy. Can see, so you can see after sending that request, this joy through PHP, you can see we got a response from the API, and that API now is what I display through this modal. All right, you can see let's see, we have the phonetic description, part of speech. You can see definitions 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the meaning, a feeling of extreme happiness. You can see it's a very simple project, very simple and very fun project, and very educative. All right guys, so now the cool thing about this is that now when we go to word search history, so you can see these are all the history of whatever we search. Whatever input we make, it's going to come here automatically, and once we click on the clear all search, immediately it clears it all. So you can see it's very simple project. Now when we click on when we go back to home, and let's go to type anything again, let's say hello. Now let's type, make a search, hello. All right, so you can see phonetic inscription doesn't exist on this word. That's to say, the way I coded it is whenever there's no phonetic inscription, it throws this out. Phonetic inscription doesn't exist on this word, instead of showing a blank statement. So guys, this is going to be fun. In the future we can upgrade this to something better, but for now I just decided that okay, let's make it actually this simple for our beginners and also for everybody to understand. So guys, basically this is the whole concept. So when we go to word search, you can see we have hello there as the history of what we have searched. So now guys, so this is basically the whole thing. Okay guys, so when there's no internet connection, what happens? So instead of throwing an error, so when I make a search, let's say today, and I make a search when my system is not connected to the internet, because we know we need an internet connection to actually send the response and actually fetch the response from the API. So when I make a search without internet connection, what happens? Say sorry pal, it throws an exception and says sorry pal, we couldn't find definitions for the word you were looking for. Please check your spellings or try checking your network cable, modem and routers before trying again. So guys, that's basically the whole thing. This website or this project was built using PHP for the back end, and didn't use any database for storing anything, so I didn't have to use MySQL or anything. So just HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and we have our PHP. So guys, do let me know what you think about this project. I'm going to be uploading the other series of it. So guys, trust me, this is going to be so short. In less than, let's say, 4 series will be out, and I'm not going to be wasting your time like before, because I noticed my other series were that long and probably boring. I'm not going to be having 17 minutes, 20 minutes again. So I guess probably 10 minutes per video, 15, 7 and the rest. In fact, 15 is too much. So guys, stay safe. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and don't worry, we have exciting stuff coming. We're going to do a lot of cool things together, guys. So guys, I love you all. Bye.